If you are wondering where is the microphone located on OPPO Find X9 Pro, then let me quickly show you. So we can find two main microphones at the bottom of the phone. Over here we have the microphone on the left side right next to the USB-C port, and on the right side as well, right next to, well, between the USB-C port and speakers. So these two dots over here are microphones. Besides that, there's also like a hidden microphone in the earpiece over here. Usually these microphones are visible at the top, but in here we actually have the IR blaster, but it is also stored somewhere in here at the top of the phone. Besides that, we have another microphone on the back where we have cameras. As you can see over here, we have this little dot on the camera, and this is actually a microphone as well. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.